everyone, and welcome back to another quick 1-minute guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Amazon reviews on the Amazon app on your phone. So let's say you left a review, maybe you want to find it, see how well it's doing, how many likes it's getting, or maybe you want to edit the review or delete it. I'm going to show you how to quickly find it. So here we go. All right, everyone, we're currently on my phone, so of course make sure you have the Amazon app installed. Bear in mind, if you want to do this on desktop, it is the same process, just it's going to be laid out a little bit differently, but it should be located in the same folder that I'm going to be showing you here. So we're going to launch the Amazon app. Again, make sure you're logged into the account that you wish to find the review for. In the bottom, you're going to want to select a little person icon here in the middle. Once that opens up, you're going to scroll down till you see personalized content. There is a profile tab here. Open that up. This will bring up your community profile. As you can see, I have 30,000 views on all my reviews. And if we scroll down here, these are all the reviews I have done. So you can click to go into them. You can see how many hearts you like. I'm not the most popular with my reviews, so I don't have that many likes. But if you wanted to edit it, all you have to do is select these three little dots. And as you can see, we have two options here to edit the review or delete it. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.